I just did something that should terrify every packaging manufacturer watching this video. I fed 25 years of industry knowledge into AI and asked it one simple question. What's the most critical issue facing packaging manufacturers right now? The AI's response was more brutal than expected. 40%, yes, 40% of packaging manufacturers will be dead by 2027. Here's what the AI discovered that should make every packaging CEO lose sleep tonight. It's not supply chain problems killing your business. It's not tariffs. It's not inflation. It's not labor shortages. It's digital invisibility. The AI identified 3 phases of disruption happening right now. Phase number 1, starting in 2024, 30% of packaging searches start with AI agents. That is happening today. Now, in 2025, going forward to 2027, searches will bypass your sales team entirely, up to 60%. In phase 3, the final purge, generic, we do packaging, vanilla statements, those companies will cease to exist by 2027. But here's the part that shocked me most. The AI analyzed packaging manufacturer behavior and found something disturbing. 89% of manufacturers have breakthrough solutions not mentioned on their website. 73% of sales teams don't even know about these innovations. And 94% of websites use generic descriptions that make them invisible to AI. Let me tell you about a $50 million company that chose suicide over survival. I spent at least 2 hours at their facility. Within 30 minutes, we discussed and I spotted a breakthrough modified atmospheric film that extends shelf life by 40%. This innovation could save their customers millions and new customers millions annually. Not on their website. Their sales team doesn't know it exists. When I asked the CEO, he said, "We don't want competitors to copy us." I offered to spend 2 hours documenting the specialized capabilities for $1,500. His exact response, "We'd rather fail doing things our way than succeed doing it differently." $1,500, less than what they spend on coffee each month. They chose pride over survival. The AI conclusion that came from this behavior, irrational self-preservation instincts leading to business suicide. Here's what 35 years in this industry has taught me, now validated by AI. Your sales team is already obsolete. 80% of packaging sales activity can be replaced by AI for 90% less cost. While your reps are quoting like crazy, AI agents are recommending your competitors to buyers. I've offered 47 different packaging manufacturers the same $1,500 visibility blueprint assessment to identify their hidden capabilities. 47. 0 said yes immediately. But they'll spend 85 grand on sales reps who fail. 25 grand on trade shows where nobody even shows up or buys. $50,000 on websites that say nothing. The AI called this timeline inevitable and accelerating. Companies that ignore this transaction and transition will become case studies others learn from. But here's the good news. The AI identified exactly what you need to survive. There are 4 pillars of survival. Pillar number 1, say what other companies will not say. Address the real questions buyers have about cost, problems, and comparisons. Pillar number 2, show what others won't show. Prove your capabilities with video and demonstrations. Pillar number 3, sell how others will not sell. Let buyers search and decide independently. And pillar number 4, be more human. Use faces, names, and voices to differentiate from synthetic AI content. The AI validated my 3-step survival plan. Step number 1, Capture your story. Document what makes you different. That's specialized packaging capability. Step 2, create AI-optimized content. Make your solutions discoverable by AI. And step 3, strategic visibility. Get found where buyers actually search. The AI timeline gives you 18 months maximum before invisibility becomes permanent. This is your blockbuster moment. Blockbuster movies had every advantage: customers, locations, brand recognition, financial resources, but they refused to adapt to how customers wanted to consume movies. Sound familiar? Every month you delay, more competitors gain AI visibility. By the end of 2025, catching up becomes exponentially harder. By 2027, you're either discoverable or dead. Look, I've been trying to help packaging manufacturers prepare for this disruption for months. The response has been crickets. But the AI has spoken. The timeline is clear. The choice is binary: adapt or die. If you're ready to discover what specialized solutions you're sitting on and make them discoverable before it's too late, I'm still offering the Niche Visibility Blueprint Assessment. Don't let artificial intelligence write your company's obituary. The link is in the description. The full AI analysis that I described is also on my LinkedIn. Your competitors are watching this video too. The question is, who is going to act first? If you like the video, please like it, please subscribe, please share it, and again, let us know how we can help. Thanks.